What makes life truly beautiful? The key to happy and joyful togetherness. A beautiful life is made by keeping health first. Let's treat ourselves to a world where nature takes its purest form. Be pampered in the arms of nature, with clean air to breathe, and bring health and a healthy lifestyle back into our lives. Welcome to Godrej Nature Plus, where health comes first. A unique residential property that's more than just a home. Located in the picturesque surroundings of Sohna in Gurugram, a home in the midst of serenity, greenery, stunning Aravali views, and fresh air. A health park designed for a life of wellness. A world where you see the vibrant colors of nature. Where you feel the sweet fragrance of health. And where everything you touch brings health into your life. A world filled with never-ending choices of healthy activities. A haven of joy where the music of health plays as laughter. A place where togetherness comes to you in many different ways. Where you celebrate every moment to the fullest. And leaves you with unforgettable moments that stay with you for a lifetime. A healthy life in the midst of nature, made into a luxurious way of living. Where nature keeps stress away. Where smiles never cease. Where dreams dream a little more. Where you meet a new you. Welcome to Godrej Nature Plus, where health comes first.